मुझे लोग बस बोलते कैन मसावा स्पीक हिंदी. आई सेड शी गॉट 95 or some percent in her born in Hindi just because I
Wow.
speak Hindi at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I used to get 7 books per month from BPP Gharelu Library Yojana, and I used to read in 10 days 7 books in Hindi. How many people in Bombay, छोटे शहर में, still they read Hindi. It's looked down upon. They read English books.
The Indians staying there in Australia, like especially kids, they have a very broken accent और वो हिंदी अच्छे से नहीं बोल पाते बहुत लोग. तो मैं उनका वॉइस नोट्स रिकॉर्ड करता था और वो सुनते रहता था कि उनकी हिंदी कैसी है.
I am really enjoying my work and वो मुझे बूढ़ा होने से भी थोड़ा बचाता है मेरा काम.
हाय मिहिर, हाय नीना जी. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप दोनों को देख के. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर हिंदी विंदी. I really found the trailer to be very interesting because it talks about a youngster जिसे हिंदी भाषा सीखनी है अपने ग्रैंडमदर से बात करने के लिए. उसमें बहुत एक तरह का वार्मथ है इन जस्ट इन दैट थॉट. व्हेन आई सेड आई एम फिल्ड विद some emotions.
Yeah.
So I wanted to begin by asking the two of you, what has your relationship with the language Hindi been like ever since the beginning? How has it impacted you? How have you interacted with the language ever since? So yeah.
Okay, so मैं पली बड़ी हूँ हिंदी स्पीकिंग हाउस होल्ड में. My mother was a Punjabi and my father was a Bania from Delhi. So my mother, I've never heard my mother speaking in Punjabi. So, but I had all my Punjabi friends, so I know Punjabi. But I have noticed that whatever you speak at home, तो स्पीकिंग में वही ज्यादा, उसमें ही आप ज्यादा अच्छे रहते हैं. बाकी लैंग्वेजेस जो आप पढ़ते हैं स्कूल कॉलेज में, उसमें आप अच्छे रह भी सकते हैं, पर जो घर में बोलते हैं वो आती. जैसे मुझे लोग बस बोलते हैं कैन मसावा स्पीक हिंदी. आई सेड शी गॉट 95 or some percent in her born in Hindi just because I
Wow.
speak Hindi at home.
Yeah.
Yeah. तो ये घर में जो मातृभाषा आप बोलते हैं वो आपकी रवा होती है. And the other languages you learn, which is good for you to communicate with people who don't know your mother tongue. That's what I feel.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
I
Mir?
think that's right जो रीना जी कह रही हैं कि बचपन में बच्चों का दिमाग ऐसा होता है कि आप कोई भी चीज़ें जल्दी ग्रास्प कर लेते हो. तो घर में जैसा माहौल होता है, जैसे मेरे भी घर में, मैं जमशेदपुर का रहने वाला हूँ. मुंबई में 2017 में आया था. तो हिंदी में ही बात करते सब घर में, मदर टंग हिंदी है. मैं हूँ पंजाबी, बट पंजाबी दादा दादी बात करते थे एंड मम्मी दादा दादी से पंजाबी में बात करती थी. तो मुझे पंजाबी भी आती थी, बट हम ज़्यादा हिंदी में ही बात करते थे घर में. और सिंस मैं जमशेदपुर से हूँ तो वहाँ की हिंदी भी अलग है. वहाँ हम करके बात करते हैं. वहाँ मैं का सिस्टम ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
मैं
Yeah.
नहीं, हम जा रहे हैं, हम आ रहे हैं. सो आज भी अगर मैं मम्मी को कॉल करूँ तो कॉल पे हम हो जाता है, यहाँ पर लोगों से फिर मैं हो जाता है. तो इंस्टेंट शिफ्ट हो जाता है बिना सोचे. अब वो सब कॉन्शियसली हो जाता है. सो
Correct.
तो हिंदी से हमेशा ही ताल्लुक रहा है. मतलब बचपन से ही बोलते आए हैं हिंदी.
I want to
Correct.
say an interesting thing which I thought. आप हम बात करें इंग्लिश और हिंदी की ना. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, ठीक है. Now past 40 years I'm in Bombay. तो almost Bombay की हूँ. When I go to Delhi, like he was talking me about switching, how we switch. तो झाड़ू पोछा बोलते हैं, यहाँ झाड़ू कटका बोलते हैं. वहां जाके मैं if I tell the cook in Delhi कि जरा एक भगोना निकाल दो, तो यहाँ पे बोलते हैं टोप निकाल दो. अगर मैं उसको टोप, वो तो टोप ये समझता है. So you know it is अभी the most interesting is कांदा, वहां तो प्याज बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
So we are amazing people, we Indians, you know.
Yeah.
Have so much kitchen of all the languages and we manage somehow. It is so difficult कि मैं especially kanda, because every day you use kanda.
Yeah.
Kanda.
There's a lot
So
of local influence in Hindi, and that takes shape, and we kind of imbibe it in our daily usage. And you've been working in the industry for the past several decades, and you've also seen like a change. You must have seen like a change in how Hindi is used in films these days. there are certain words of Hindi Urdu जो हमें आजकल सुनने को नहीं मिलते फिल्म्स में. So, like as an actor, do you see that change happening in new films where there is a certain drifting away from Hindi Urdu in films?
Yeah, there is, because the society is changing, and it is all happening mostly because of the social media. We hear other languages, we hear all the time on our headphones, and we are on our iPads and phones, and the younger generation has a different language. So when they go to college school, they speak different lingo. I mean, the short forms, I तो sometimes मैं LOL को कभी ठीक से समझ ही नहीं पाई. You know, like all these kind of things.
Right.
So in films also it will be seen, because societies change. So we'll see that change in the films also.
Yeah, and a lot of I think people from my generation and people who are in the Gen Z generation, they have a lot of difficulty in speaking Hindi. We don't read Hindi as much. We should. And I think that is also, as you said correctly, is seen in films where a lot of young actors have. There are stories always that some of them cannot read in Devanagari. So what are your thoughts on all of that? Is there a way to inculcate that, or we're just okay with?
It is a very important question for all of us. My mother was an MA in Sanskrit and political science. Okay, my mother was educated for her time. Now my mother tongue is Hindi. So earlier, whatever your mother tongue was, like I used to get 7 books per month from VPP Gharelu Library Yojana, and I used to read in 10 days 7 books in Hindi. How many people in Bombay, छोटे शहर में, still they read Hindi? It's looked down upon. They read English books, okay? But small towns में और ऐसे शहर में, I mean, you go to Kerala, the Malayalam literature is so rich, and the content is so good. It's only a few of the bachas who have come to big cities and metro cities that they are very confused, because now they are not reading also. Now they are seeing only. So that richness in reading is going slowly, which is sad.
Mir, have you also experienced that as someone who comes from this generation?
I mean, I'm an avid reader. I read, और मैं हिंदी किताबें भी पढ़ता हूँ. अगर आप देखोगे मेरे रूम में तो प्रेमचंद की भी किताबें पढ़ी हैं, क्योंकि मैं जमशेदपुर से हूँ और वहाँ मेरे स्कूल में हिंदी लैंग्वेज था सब्जेक्ट. और काफ़ी मतलब हम प्रेमचंद की कहानियाँ, किताबें और उनके कविताएं सब पढ़ते थे, जितनी भी थे हमारे बुक में. सो मेरा तो हमेशा से रहा है हिंदी में बात करना भी, और जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया, तो मुझे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं रही है कभी.
Fair. One of the things that I found striking in the trailer was, Mihir, how you have inculcated the English accent, which I think comes from Australia. It feels as if you live there, you've been living there all the time, and now when I see you speak in Hindi, it's like, okay, are you the same person? So, मुझे वो पूछना था कि what was your process of working on the accent and inculcating it in your performance so seamlessly?
So, first of all, I had 4 months of training with this voice coach, Matthew Charleston, who stays in Australia. 4 months of online Zoom calls, हमारे रोज 1 घंटे के होते थे. And see, it really becomes easier when you have a material. अगर आपके पास कोई script है and you have to have an accent for those particular dialogues, so it really becomes easier. But of course, आपको थोड़ी और idea होनी चाहिए इसकी, because then you are open to improv. Because whenever you are in a scene, you do feel like improvising at times as an actor, and for that you need to know a little more than the script. That really worked out for me, like working with that voice coach and training with him. Secondly, when I reached Sydney a week 5 days before the shoot, और मैं वो 5 दिन सिर्फ यही कर रहा था कि मैं वहाँ के जो लोग हैं उनको अच्छे से सुन रहा था. I was observing them. किसी स्क्रिप्ट के अगर किसी पार्ट में मुझे डाउट था, I used to tell them, can you please say this word? I want to just hear how and how would an Australian pronounce this particular word. So that really worked out for me. And then because I also have tutti futti Hindi in the film, I don't speak Hindi really well. So because my character doesn't speak Hindi really well. See, nowadays you really have to be mindful of what you say.
Yeah, yeah,
मैं हिंदी
yeah.
बोल सकता हूँ. Characters doesn't speak Hindi really
Yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah.
I think the Indians staying there in Australia, like especially kids, they have a very broken accent और वो हिंदी अच्छे से नहीं बोल पाते बहुत लोग. तो मैं उनका वॉइस नोट्स रिकॉर्ड करता था और वो सुनते रहता था कि उनकी हिंदी कैसी है. Because an Indian kid staying in Australia would have the same accent. जैसे
Hmm.
एक काफी अगर आप ट्रेलर में देखे होंगे, मैं बोलता हूँ I want to take this responsibility from my grandma to learn her language, to
Hmm.
learn वैसे हिंदी. So there if you'll see people in the West and in Australia, द शब्द ही नहीं, उनके शब्दकोश में द है ही नहीं. तो वो ड से डमरू वाला ही ड है बस.
Correct,
हिंदी, दे से
correct,
हिंदी, वो द बोलते ही नहीं वो. तो
correct.
फिर ये चीज मैंने पकड़ा और हिंदी, it's not हिंदी. So that's one thing which I picked up. और ऐसी बहुत चीजें ऑब्जर्व करते करते लोगों को सीख गया.
That's very interesting. To catch that nuance is really something. Coming to you, Nina ji, you play his grandmother in the film, and I've seen you play mother and grandmother before in films and shows. But there is such a difference in how you portray them in each film. So how do you bring that nuance to a similar kind of a role in different films? What is that process like?
See, in real life, I'm very differently dressed up. I'm very different than what the roles I'm playing. I think once I wear my costume and once I read my script, my dialogue, and I'm convinced about
Hmm.
what I'm saying, then I don't need anything. Then
Okay.
one thing I need is concentration.
Hmm.
जो सबसे मुश्किल होती है. मैं आपसे बात करते करते भी कुछ और सोच सकती हूँ और
Hmm.
करेक्ट भी कर सकती हूँ. एक आप बुक पढ़ते हैं ना, एक पेज में कुछ और सोचते सोचते पूरा पढ़ सकती हूँ,
Hmm.
है ना. और
Hmm.
एक होता है मैं पेज पढ़ूं, रियली पढ़ूं. So it is that difference. So I think the only thing you need is concentration.
Okay. And
वो
ऐसा कभी
बहुत बार हुआ है. मैं क्योंकि मेरे को डायलॉग याद है, मैं बोल रही हूँ और मैं सोच कुछ और रही हूँ, जब स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं तो पकड़े जाते हैं.
Hmm.
आप
Correct.
हमेशा वो जेन्युइननेस नहीं आती है.
Right. And ऐसा कभी होता है कि like for example you maybe recently played a similar role in say Panchayat and you're coming back to a different film, so you catch the same rhythm in this one or you have trouble getting out of that rhythm, something like that?
पंचायत में मुझे लैंग्वेज पे बार बार काम करना पड़ता है,
Hmm.
बिकॉज द
Correct.
लैंग्वेज.
Different dialect.
हाँ, तो I always joke that by the time I finish one season, I get rawa in that language and it's over, you know.
Hmm.
So I sometimes call the writer and I ask him to speak and record it and send it to me.
Hmm.
ऐसा होता है. In the rest of the places, I'm not doing so much work that वो ओवरलैप होता है कैरेक्टर. ऐसा कुछ इतना ज्यादा काम मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ कि पहले जमाने में लोग एक दिन में 2-2 3-3 शिफ्टें करते थे ना अलग अलग. So अभी नहीं, I'm not doing kind of work. I just finished Panchayat and I did Vad 2, which
Hmm.
is a different character, not same character like Vad 1. Very different character, but हो गया.
Right. And since 2017, we're seeing like a different side of you, which was earlier not explored in films. And how is the phase two going? Like, how was your experience working with new filmmakers and new actors? How is that going like?
It's been great. It's been very overwhelming and I'm becoming more and more greedy because मुझे और चाहिए अब. It's like that. You remember वो कौन सा था बच्चों की फिल्म जिसमें वो कहता था I want some more, वो खाना लेके. Was that famous film बच्चों की? Anyway, so
Hmm.
huh?
I can't recall ऐसे.
Even
अच्छा
I'm unable to
Yeah.
recall.
हाँ तो I want more. It's like that. I become greedy and I am really enjoying my work and वो मुझे बूढ़ा होने से भी थोड़ा बचाता है मेरा काम.
Is there a specific genre you want to work in?
Yeah, I've been dying to do a comedy.
Okay.
Not that is not a comedy. I don't count it as a comedy, but a real comedy I've been wanting to do and action.
Action, oh, you want to do action films? Wow.
Guns and Roses.
Wow.
Wow. That's super cool. Just one last question before we end. The trailer also has a scene where his character kind of snaps at Nina Ji, your character, for using phone to learn English. For Siri, something there's an exchange that happens. I wanted to ask the two of you, how do you look at technology in today's time and social media? What are your experiences been like on being on social media, using technology in real life?
I think it's really a boon to the environment in a way, that technology has done, like, really helped in a lot of things. So it's how much you use it. There's a limitation to everything, but I see more advantage than disadvantage of technology. Um, because see, it becomes really easier. I think पहले पता नहीं नीना जी के टाइम में, if I talk about acting कि कैसे होता था, लोग अपना पोर्टफोलियो लेकर, प्रोफाइल लेकर स्टूडियो भटकते थे. वो सब इजी हो गया है. लोग घर बैठे ऑडिशन अपना सबमिट कर सकते हैं और किसी को थ्रू मेल ईमेल्स कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये सब बहुत आसान हो गया है. आप नई लैंग्वेजेस सीख सकते हो घर बैठे. हमें
Yeah,
इंटरव्यूज के लिए ट्रैवल नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, हम ऐसे जूम कॉल पे इंटरव्यू कर सक रहे हैं. सो
yeah,
बहुत चीज़ें आसान हो गई है. बट हाँ, आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इन लिमिटेशन इज करेक्ट. Now if you talk about social media is also like a yin yang. There's positives and negatives. You have to focus on the positives and move on. And yeah, I mean, it's all about how much you consume media and technology.
right. नीना जी, आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है?
I agree with Meher totally. This is a boom, but we have to be very careful not to let it harm us. I give you an example. I did this Malayalam series called 1000 Babies. Okay, I was
Yeah,
there for 15 days,
yeah,
living in a bungalow, and they gave me a local cook. Okay,
hmm,
did not know Hindi at all. उसको हल्दी
okay,
नमक नहीं मालूम था.
okay,
And I did not know Malayalam at all. Okay.
yeah,
अभी उसको कैसे समझाऊं कि पहले प्याज डालना फिर ये बनाना, आज गाजर मटर बना दो, आज कुछ बना दो. Then I used to use my iPad. So I use
oh,
phone. I used to say पहले प्याज डाल के फिर टमाटर और हल्दी और नमक और मिर्च डालना. So it used to come in Malayalam. So I used to
oh,
show it to her and she used to get it.
wow, that's so cool.
Uh, yeah, it was amazing.
Brilliant, brilliant. It was lovely
Imagine
talking. Sorry,
that
yeah,
film.
me.
Did you shoot that film after our film?
Uh, when did we shoot our film?
Last year, Jan 2024, Jan.
Let me think. I'll tell you. Let me think. I don't remember.
Because I thought you got this idea after our film, because in our film we are using
Yeah, it's like a
iPad.
parallel to film, similar scene happening in real life for you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very
yeah, yeah. I don't remember.
perfect,
Anyway,
perfect. Lovely talking to the two of you. All the best for Hindi Vindi and all that you do in future. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so much.
you.
thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank you.